Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We do not arise, we do not hunt, we do not stop. We have no impediments, we are beyond all thought. We do not conceptualize, we do not think about anything. Awareness that clings to emptiness is a rude attitude. Our thoughts about unsought awareness are exhausting. In the true bodhicitta, we are empty of all these conceptual thoughts. We do not renounce. We do not abstain. We do not practice. We are empty of all refutations, proofs, and searches. Things are just as they appear to be. We do not harbor any conception of our mindfulness or its origins. We do not hunt. We do not propitiate. This is how it is. In the space of our heart essence, we are non-dual. A view that is refuted or proven is a pathway of reversion. Our conceptions about demarcations may appear to be anything. There is perfection in the heart essence of us all. In the dominion of our circle, there is no motion. Our emotional problems obviously have a self-originating heart essence. In this, we are beyond positions. We have nothing to refute. Our wisdom is the pathway of self-originating perfection. We do not work on it. Our true nature is to be spontaneously realized. Its essence is not to be divided. No matter how things may appear, their essence is empty. Self-originating perfection is indescribable. We have a method that does not separate us. We use it to settle into the true nature of our awareness. The faults and virtues in our awareness are spontaneously perfected. We have a method that accords with our unsought awareness. We are self-originating. There is nothing to be refuted. We are spontaneously perfected. There is nothing to be proven. We do not hunt. We do not propitiate. We have no position. We are pervasive. As for the mandala of perfect awareness, we are not distracted. We cut through our hopes and fears.